Hello, dear viewers. Today we dive into a fascinating world where technology and creativity converge. We find ourselves in an era where artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a thing of science fiction, but rather an integral part of our everyday lives. From art and music to healthcare, transportation, and even our daily conversations, AI is leaving its mark, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. But what exactly are these innovative creations powered by artificial intelligence? How are they transforming our world? That's precisely what we're going to explore today. We'll delve into the 20 most astonishing creations that AI has birthed, shedding light on the immense potential of this technology. So, sit back, relax, and buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey of discovery. Let's dive into the future today. Art, a realm of human expression, is now being explored by algorithms. As intriguing as it sounds, artificial intelligence has been making its mark in the artistic world, creating a fascinating fusion of technology and creativity. Artists and technologists alike are harnessing the power of AI to create artworks that are entirely conceived and executed by algorithms. These algorithms analyze thousands of images and patterns, learning to mimic and then transcend the styles of renowned artists. They're creating paintings that could easily be mistaken for a Picasso or a Monet, but they're not just replicating. They're creating their own unique works, each piece a testament to the infinite capacity of AI. But it's not just the world of painting that's being revolutionized. AI is also sculpting digital forms, chiseling out shapes and textures that no human hand could achieve. It's even composing music, creating symphonies and sonatas that echo the great composers, yet resonate with a distinctly digital tone. Yet, as we marvel at these AI-generated artworks, we must also consider the role of the artist in this new era. If an algorithm can create a masterpiece, what becomes of the human artist? It's a question that sparks much debate. Some argue that AI is simply another tool, like a brush or a chisel, that artists can use to express their vision. Others, however, see it as a threat to the very essence of art, the human soul and emotion that drive creativity. But perhaps it's not a question of replacement, but of collaboration. Artists and AI working together, combining human emotion and machine precision to create something neither could achieve alone. This collaboration is already happening, with artists using AI to push the boundaries of their work, exploring new forms and concepts that were previously unimaginable. Art, it seems, is no longer the sole domain of human creativity. As we stand on the brink of this new artistic frontier, we can't help but wonder, what extraordinary creations will the fusion of human and artificial intelligence bring forth next? The possibilities, like art itself, are limitless. From art to healthcare, AI's reach is expansive. It's not just about robots performing surgeries. AI is revolutionizing medicine in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. Take medical diagnosis, for instance. AI algorithms can now analyze a patient's symptoms, medical history, and even genetic data to predict diseases before they strike. Imagine a world where chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease are caught and treated early, long before they cause irreparable harm. That's the promise of AI in early disease detection, and it doesn't stop there. AI is also helping doctors design personalized treatment plans. Every patient is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. AI can analyze a patient's unique genetic makeup and predict how they'll respond to different medications. This means more effective treatments, fewer side effects, and better patient outcomes. AI is even making waves in medical research. It's helping scientists understand complex diseases at a molecular level and accelerate the development of new drugs. In the fight against cancer, for instance, AI is aiding in the discovery of new potential treatments by analyzing vast amounts of data from clinical trials and biomedical research. But the real beauty of AI in medicine lies in its potential to democratize healthcare. Thanks to AI, quality healthcare is no longer confined to the walls of hospitals or the borders of developed nations. With AI-powered apps and telemedicine platforms, patients in remote areas can access top-notch medical advice right from their smartphones. To sum it up, AI is transforming medicine, making it more predictive, personalized, and accessible. It's helping us live healthier, longer lives. And while we're still scratching the surface of what AI can do, one thing is clear. AI, the new age physician, is here to stay. AI is not just healing, it's also driving us into the future. Picture this: you're in a car, but there's no driver. Instead, algorithms and sensors are in control, navigating you through city streets and highways with precision. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a reality we're inching closer to every day, thanks to advances in artificial intelligence. Autonomous vehicles, once a mere concept, are now a tangible reality. These self-driving machines use AI to analyze their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate roads. From personal cars to public buses and even freight trucks, AI is reshaping the way we think about transportation, promising increased efficiency, reduced traffic congestion, and improved safety. But AI's influence doesn't stop at ground transportation. It's also taking to the skies. Drones, those buzzing devices we often associate with aerial photography, are now utilized for a myriad of tasks, all thanks to AI. Consider delivery drones. Companies are already testing these AI-powered machines to deliver packages, food, and even medical supplies. Picture a world where your online shopping order is dropped on your doorstep by a drone, or a life-saving medication is flown across a traffic-jammed city in minutes. It's not just convenient, it's transformative. Then, there are surveillance drones. These AI-enabled devices can monitor large areas, providing critical data for sectors like agriculture, wildlife conservation, and public safety. Imagine drones scanning fields for crop diseases, tracking endangered species, or even assisting in search and rescue operations. The possibilities are as vast as the skies they occupy. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, the potential for transformation in the transport industry becomes more apparent. Autonomous vehicles and drones are not just about technological advancement, they're about creating a safer, more efficient world. And while there are certainly challenges to overcome, the benefits these innovations offer are too significant to ignore. The road ahead is looking more autonomous than ever. AI has not only learned to drive, but also to talk. Imagine having a conversation with your computer, not just giving commands, but actually discussing, debating, and reasoning. Sounds like science fiction? Well, welcome to the present. Natural language processing systems, an integral part of AI, have made this a reality. These systems are designed to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both coherent and comprehensible. They've become so sophisticated that they can write essays, create poetry, and even script videos like this one. One of the most impressive examples of this is GPT-3, an AI model developed by OpenAI. This model can generate human-like text based on a given input. It's like having a digital Shakespeare at your fingertips, creating sonnets on demand. But it's not just about writing. It's about understanding context, tone, and nuance in language, which is no small feat. Another intriguing application of this technology lies in virtual assistants and chatbots. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These are household names today. They can schedule appointments, send messages, answer questions, and even tell jokes. What makes them truly remarkable is their ability to learn from interactions, improving their responses over time. Then there are customer service chatbots, which are becoming increasingly advanced. They can handle complex queries, understand emotions, and even empathize with users. It's like talking to a human, but without the hold music. As we reflect on this evolution of human-machine interaction, it's clear that we are moving towards a future where machines will not only understand our language, but also our thoughts, feelings, and intentions. They will become our companions, advisors, and confidants. However, this doesn't mean we'll be out of the conversation. On the contrary, it opens up new avenues for communication and collaboration. It allows us to focus on what we do best, being creative, empathetic, and uniquely human. Conversing with machines is becoming more human-like by the day, and that, my friends, is the magic of AI. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As we marvel at the wonders of artificial intelligence, it's crucial not to overlook the ethical challenges that accompany its use. From privacy concerns to the potential for misuse, these challenges necessitate careful consideration. The development of AI technologies isn't just about creating impressive innovations, it's about doing so responsibly. Transparency is key in this process. It's vital for developers to clearly communicate how their AI systems work, what data they use, and how they protect user information. But transparency alone isn't enough. Accountability is equally important. Developers must take responsibility for their creations, ensuring that they're used ethically and responsibly. This includes putting measures in place to prevent misuse and to address any unforeseen consequences. In navigating the complex landscape of artificial intelligence, a moral compass is indispensable. After all, technology's true power lies not just in its capabilities, but in its ethical application. Navigating the AI landscape requires a moral compass. we've journeyed through the incredible world of AI creations, from artworks that challenge our perception of creativity to medical advancements that promise a healthier future. We've seen autonomous vehicles and drones that are reshaping transportation, and text generation systems that are revolutionizing our interaction with machines. These 20 examples only scratch the surface of AI's potential. Every day, new and innovative applications emerge, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, we must also consider the ethical implications. With great power comes great responsibility, and it's up to us to ensure that AI is developed in a transparent and accountable way. This journey has been a glimpse into a future where AI is an integral part of our lives. We invite you, our viewers, to comment on your favorite creations and share your perspectives on the future of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep exploring.